Hello and namaste everyone. Welcome to day 3 of our 10-day spoken English course only on English Pro. आज हामी सिक्नेछौँ 100वटा इङ्ग्लिस सेन्टेन्सेस जुन तपाईँले दैनिक जीवनमा सजिलै प्रयोग गर्न सक्नुहुन्छ. These sentences are a bit longer than before, but don't worry, मैले प्रत्येक वाक्यसँग नेपाली अर्थ पनि दिएको छु. ओके? तपाईँलाई इङ्ग्लिस बोल्न सजिलो होस् भनेर नै मैले यी वाक्यहरू स्टेप बाई स्टेप तयार पारेकी छु. Okay, so get your notebook, get your energy, and let's start speaking English with confidence. Let's begin day 3 right now. Are you ready? के तिमी तयार छौ के तपाईँ तयार हुनुहुन्छ? Are you ready? Yes, I am ready. म तयार छु. Yes, I am ready. हो म तयार छु. Yes, I am ready. No, I am not ready. होइन म तयार छैन वा म तयार छैन. No, I am not ready. Please wait for me. Please wait for me. कृपया मलाई पर्ख. I am coming soon. I am coming soon. म चाँडै आउँदैछु. Let's go together. Let's go together. सँगै जाउँ. आऊ सँगै जाउँ. Let's go together. It's very cold today. It's very cold today. आज धेरै जाडो छ. It's hot outside. It's hot outside. बाहिर तातो छ. Is it raining? Is it raining? के पानी परिरहेको छ? Take an umbrella. Take an umbrella. छाता लैजाऊ. छाता लिएर जाऊ भनेर बोल्नु पर्यो. Take an umbrella. I forgot my phone. I forgot my phone. मैले मेरो फोन बिर्सेँ. Call me later. Call me later. पछि मलाई फोन गर्नु वा मलाई पछि फोन गर्नु. Call me later. Don't forget it. Don't forget it. यो नबिर्स. Keep it with you. Keep it with you. यो आफूसँग राख. I'll meet you there. I'll meet you there. म तिमीलाई त्यहाँ भेट्नेछु. What's the matter? What's the matter? के भयो? Nothing serious. Nothing serious. केही गम्भीर छैन. Nothing serious. I'm just tired. I'm just tired. म केवल थाकेको छु. I'm just tired. Take some rest. Take some rest. अलिकति आराम गर. Take some rest. You'll feel better. You'll feel better. तिमी राम्रो महसुस गर्नेछौ. You'll feel better. Drink some water. Drink some water. अलिकति पानी खाऊ. Drink some water. Eat something healthy. Eat something healthy. केही स्वस्थ खाना खाऊ. Don't skip meals. Don't skip meals. खाना छोड्नु हुँदैन. Sleep on time. Sleep on time. समयमा सुत. Wake up early. Wake up early. छिटो उठ. It's already late. It's already late. अब त ढिला भइसकेको छ. It's already late. Hurry up. Hurry up. छिटो गर. Let's not be late. Let's not be late. ढिला नगरौ. Are you hungry? Are you hungry? के तिमी भोकाएको छौ? Yes, I want to eat. Yes, I want to eat. हो म खान चाहन्छु. Let's eat together. Let's eat together. सँगै खाऊ. Where should we eat? Where should we eat? हामी कहाँ खाने? There is a good restaurant nearby. There is a good restaurant nearby. नजिकै राम्रो रेस्टुरेन्ट छ. Do you like momo? Do you like momo? के तिमीलाई मोमो मन पर्छ? Yes, I love it. Yes, I love it. हो मलाई धेरै मन पर्छ. Let's order something. Let's order something. केक अर्डर गरौँ. Let's order something. I want tea. I want tea. मलाई चिया चाहिन्छ. I want tea. Do you want coffee? Do you want coffee? के तिमीलाई कफी चाहिन्छ? No, thank you. No, thank you. छैन, धन्यवाद. That's enough for now. That's enough for now. अहिलेलाई त्यति नै काफी छ. How was your day? How was your day? तिम्रो दिन कस्तो रह्यो? How was your day? It was good. It was good. राम्रो रह्यो. It was a bit busy. It was a bit busy. अलिक व्यस्त रह्यो. I had a lot of work. I had a lot of work. मेरो धेरै काम थियो. I had a lot of work. Now I feel relaxed. Now I feel relaxed. अब म आराम महसुस गरिरहेको छु. Did you enjoy your lunch? Did you enjoy your lunch? के तिमीले लन्चको मजा लियौ? Yes, the food was tasty. Yes, the food was tasty. हो वा खाना स्वादिलो थियो. I cooked it myself. I cooked it myself. मैले आफै पकाएँ. I cooked it myself. You cook very well. You cook very well. तिमी धेरै राम्रो पकाउँछौ. You cook very well. Thank you for the compliment. Thank you for the compliment. प्रशंसाको लागि धन्यवाद. What are you doing now? What are you doing now? तिमी अहिले के गर्दैछौ? What are you doing now? I'm watching TV. I'm watching TV. म TV हेर्दैछु. I'm reading a book. I'm reading a book. म किताब पढ्दैछु. I'm reading a book. It's an English book. It's an English book. यो अङ्ग्रेजी किताब हो. Reading is a good habit. Reading is a good habit. पढ्ने बानी राम्रो हो. Reading is a good habit. Do you like music? Do you like music? के तिमीलाई सङ्गीत मनपर्छ? Do you like music? Yes, I love soft music. Yes, I love soft music. हो, मलाई मधुर गीत सङ्गीत मनपर्छ. Let's listen together. Let's listen together. आओ सँगै सुनौ. Let's listen together. Turn down the volume. Turn down the volume. आवाज अलिक घटाऊ. Turn down the volume. Turn down the volume. It's too loud. It's too loud. यो धेरै चर्को छ. What time is it now? What time is it now? अहिले कति बजेको छ? What time is it now? It's 5 o'clock. It's 5 o'clock. 5 बजेको छ. Time flies fast. Time flies fast. समय छिटो बित्छ. I have to go now. I have to go now. अब म जानुपर्छ. I have to go now. See you again soon. See you again soon. चाँडै फेरि भेटौँला. See you again soon. Don't be late next time. Don't be late next time. अर्को पटक ढिला नगर. Take this with you. Take this with you. यो साथमा लैजाऊ. Take this with you. Keep in touch. Keep in touch. सम्पर्कमा रह. सम्पर्कमा रहिरह. Keep in touch. Let's talk later. Let's talk later. पछि कुरा गरौँ. Let's talk later. I'll call you tonight. I'll call you tonight. म तिमीलाई आज राति फोन गर्नेछु. I'll call you tonight. Do you have any questions? Do you have any questions? के तपाईको कुनै प्रश्न छ? Do you have any questions? No, I understood everything. No, I understood everything. छैन, मैले सबै बुझेँ. That's great. That's great. त्यो त राम्रो भयो. That's great. Let's revise once. Let's revise once. एकपटक दोहोऱ्याऊ. Let's revise once. Practice makes perfect. Practice makes perfect. अभ्यासले नै राम्रो बनाउँछ. practicing daily. Keep practicing daily. हरेक दिन अभ्यास गर. Keep practicing daily. Don't be afraid of mistakes. Don't be afraid of mistakes. गल्तीहरूबाट नडराऊ. गल्ती हुनबाट चाहिँ नडराऊ. Don't be afraid of mistakes. Learn from your mistakes. Learn from your mistakes. आफ्नो गल्तीबाट सिक. Learn from your mistakes. Slowly you will improve. Slowly you will improve. बिस्तारै सुधार हुनेछ. Be patient and consistent. Be patient and consistent. धैर्य र निरन्तरता राख. English is not so hard. English is not so hard. अंग्रेजी त्यति गाह्रो छैन. English is not so hard. You must need to try. You just need to try. तिमीले केवल प्रयास गर्नुपर्छ. You just need to try. Speak as much as possible. Speak as much as possible. जति सक्दो धेरै बोल. Speak as much as possible. Don't feel shy. Don't feel shy. लाज मान्नु हुँदैन. Be confident. Be confident. आत्मविश्वासी बन. I am here to help you. I am here to help you. म तिमीलाई सहयोग गर्न यहाँ छु. I am here to help you. Let's learn together. Let's learn together. सँगै सिकौं. Every day is a new start. Every day is a new start. हरेक दिन नयाँ सुरुवात हो. Every day is a new start. You can do it. You can do it. तिमी सक्छौ. You can do it. Keep going. Keep going. अगाडि बढिरह. What's your favorite movie? What's your favorite movie? तिमीलाई मनपर्ने चलचित्र कुन हो? What's your favorite movie? I like comedy movies. I like comedy movies. मलाई हास्य चलचित्र मनपर्छ. Do you watch Nepali films? Do you watch Nepali films? के तिमी नेपाली फिल्म हेर्छौ? Yeah, sometimes. Yeah, sometime. हो कहिलेकाहीँ. Let's watch one tonight. Let's watch one tonight. आज राति एउटा हेरौँ. It will be fun. It will be fun. रमाइलो हुनेछ. Make some popcorn. केही पपकर्न बनाऊ. Make some popcorn. Let's sit and enjoy. Let's sit and enjoy. बसौ र मजा लिऊ. Let's sit and enjoy. Life is beautiful. Life is beautiful. जीवन सुन्दर छ. Life is beautiful. Let's make it meaningful. Let's make it meaningful. यसलाई अर्थपूर्ण बनाऊ. Let's make it meaningful. Okay, great work everyone. तपाईले आजको 100 वाक्यहरू अभ्यास गर्नुभयो. And that means you are improving every single day. Remember, practice makes you confident and regular practice makes you fluent. अब भोलि हामी डे 4 मा अझ उपयोगी वाक्यहरू सिक्नेछौँ. Make sure you don't miss it. Please like, comment गर्नुहोस् and subscribe to English Pro channel for more helpful videos. Thank you so much for watching. See you in day 4. Bye and take care.